We're here at JL Designs with the 2017 Yamaha R6. We have two versions of our rear tail light kits. And we are showing you the difference between a standard TS series turn signal and a dual function turn signal. So we have these lights that mount to the winglets of the undertail. This one here would be a smoked lens with amber LEDs. It only works as a turn signal. The R6 on the left has smoked lens red LEDs inside. So when we turn it on, it's a constant running. It runs with the rear tail light. It just gives you a little bit more visibility. They act as dual function, so they could be turn signals or constant and brake lights. Both have installed the smoked tail light, so when they're completely off, they are dark smoke. Here's what it looks like activated. This one, running as a turn signal, will utilize half the amber integrated signal. It's really hard to tell in the video, but you can see we have your amber signal flashing on the side in conjunction with the integrated tail lights turn signals. On the left, we have these ones set up as turn signals. So if you hit the turn signal, you'll see those go from constant to running.